front of me is LENOVO Tab M11, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening photos and selecting photos at the top or library over here. Either way, you can delete your photos the same way. Just hold the chosen one and use those type of dots at the top left corner to pick all from this section. To exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!